You can run coding agents in a sandbox in YOLO mode without risking your laptop. In this video, I'm going to show you SmolVM and how you can run AI agents in a sandbox, and I'll show you a journey all the way from start to end where I will use this repository as an example to write some code using Codex from ChatGPT, and once the work is done, I will push it on my GitHub repository as a PR, and once merged, I'll discard the sandbox safely. So let's get started. So SmolVM is open source, and to install it, you can just come to the GitHub repository here, the single installation command. So you just copy this line and paste in your terminal, and it's going to install all the dependencies. And if it's already installed, it's going to upgrade your previous installation. I am already in my GitHub repository where I want to write some code. So right now I'm in the directory of my host laptop. If I run Codex here, if Codex makes any unintended action, which, for example, can harm my laptop, such as deleting some data or installing some weird package which can cause supply chain attack, my system can be at risk. So what I'm going to do is I will run Codex inside a sandbox. To do that, I type SmolVM Codex start, and I'm going to mount my current directory, which is where my code lies. So I just do provide the path and press enter. Now it will create a new instance on my laptop. It is running completely locally, so it doesn't need any cloud account or anything. It will create a virtual computer right inside my laptop. It will copy all the files to the sandbox. And this copy uses a technique called overlay. So it doesn't use a lot of space. Even if you run hundreds of sandboxes inside your laptop, it won't create multiple copies of your file system, ending up taking like 100 gigabytes of memory. Let's log into my SmolVM machine. It is called Codex Hawking. My mounted workspace is available under the workspace folder. If you do ls, you can find all the code you had on your local system. Now I'll just run Codex. Yes, I trust this workspace, and now let's write some code. So in this example, I'm going to work on this feature request, SmolVM upload file path. So I'll just copy this issue and paste here. Hey, let's work on the file upload part of this issue. The sandbox has access to internet, but you can also control which domain it can reach out to and block some domains where you don't want to allow the agent to look into. There could be some malicious domains which might try to steal your code. So for this task, I only need GitHub. So what I'll do is I will only whitelist GitHub. Anything apart from GitHub will be blocked from accessing my code, or the agent won't be able to reach out. So it protects you from making any unintended side effect or leaking your secret keys. As you can see, the coding agent is working inside my sandbox, asking for permissions. I can run this in YOLO mode, which means I can give it full access to change whatever it wants, because it won't be affecting my real system. So our coding agent has already completed the task we have given it. Now let's create a PR for this. Our coding agent was successfully able to create a pull request for our task, all inside the sandbox. I did not have to log into GitHub inside the sandbox, even though it's a completely separate environment from my laptop. So SmolVM takes care of everything for you. All you need to do is go into your current directory for your GitHub repository, run the command SmolVM, your coding agent name, be it Codex or Claude Code, start, mount the folder. That's it. You get all the environment installed in a completely isolated environment. I highly encourage you to go to GitHub repo for SmolVM. Check out all the features we have, try it out, or you can go to our documentation and give the link to Claude Code or OpenClaw, and it will figure it out how to use it, and just prompt. Thank you.